Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. We're going to be doing an unboxing video today, and today it's on the Bayliss Panigale V2.
I pulled this all the way from Silverstone.
Did you? Right, yeah, how many bikes do you reckon you've unboxed?
Oh, too many.
How many? Hundreds.
Yeah.
You know what this one is?
This is one I've never unboxed.
This is a first. Oh wait, let's wait.
We're waiting. What are we waiting for now?
I've been waiting all day. Did you get your suit?
No, I didn't.
Why?
I decided not to. I don't go out enough.
Well, you're going out the weekend.
I might not go.
Why?
Because of the lockdown.
And this might be your last chance before they lock it down again.
Maybe. We're going to have a lockdown, John. Simple as that.
Do you reckon that's the same colour red as a normal red? It's a bit darker under there, doesn't it, or not?
Yeah, it might be darker.
So this is the Troy Bayliss 20th anniversary edition.
20th? 20 years of him retiring, or?
No, 20 years when he won the World Championship on it. World Superbikes.
Took their time, didn't they?
They took their time to say thanks.
Did they not do a Rossi version? Or did they win anything on the Ducati?
No.
That's a shame. That would have been a big seller. You'd have bought most of them.
I'd have bought all of them, yeah. Yeah, so this is the 20th edition of the 2001 season he won. Which is a shame because the 2002 season was probably one of the best seasons ever in World Superbike. But the problem is they couldn't do that edition because Colin Edwards won that year.
Tell Tyler where you put the data tag stuff on.
Oh yeah.
You've just got to get this off first.
Just got to get it.
We've got to see this, haven't we?
You're going to see it.
Yeah, I mean, like,
They're going to
before
put
2022.
Yeah,
before they bring out the 25-year anniversary edition.
He won't let me bring the bin anywhere near it, so...
Do you want me to carry it?
No, don't do anything, just stand there.
Alright. Don't know what his problem is. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready, come on.
You ready?
Yeah, let's have a look. Well, I thought it was like darker, but it's not darker red, is it? Sorry.
Oh, look at that.
That is nice. Like the seat and all that. Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh, look, he signed it. Trevor.
Oh, he's got the carbon tip on the muffler. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? I like the wheel colour and all.
Yeah, wheel colour is nice, yeah.
Oh, lovely bike. Oh, God. Mine's going to look lovely with a 27 on it, isn't it? These little
Lovely
bits.
as well.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Done proper.
It really is, yeah.
The Ohlins.
That's nice.
Yeah, very nice. Number 609.
I like this and all. The seat, look. Probably a second of that, isn't it? Just the seat. It's quite thick though, isn't it?
Yeah.
You go to touch the floor.
I was going to ask you to lend me a tenner, Liam, but you haven't got it.
Just sing him
me
a
a song,
song.
I'll give it to
He ain't got to lend you it.
Okay,
Straightforward.
go forwards, yeah. It's all yours.
Yeah, it's nice. Hold on, he just said he wasn't having a fry out.
She said she does a mini fry up, and I've got.
Well, it's not really a mini fry out. That makes you feel better. You can say you can have a fry
I
out.
want it on a saucer. We'll have a mini fry. Do a mini fry.
Right, so you want sausage, bacon, eggs,
One of each.
beans,
Well, not one bean.
one mushroom, one tomato.
On a bit of toast or something.
You want toast as well? Bloody hell, it's turned into
I'll
a
tell
big
you what.
fry out this.
Shall I have it on a bit of fried bread?
Oh
Oh,
yeah,
you couldn't
okay.
mean that. It'd feel really dirty after this now, wouldn't you? You'd be self-angering, beating
All on the
yourself.
saucer.
Right, hold on, do you want to take my order?
Yep, what are you going to go for?
I am going to have black pudding,
Yeah.
bacon,
Yeah.
fried slice. Maybe I should have 2 eggs.
Yeah, go and get
2 eggs.
Yeah.
But I'll have beans, but literally like a spoonful of beans. Don't want a lot of beans. And
Love
I want
beans.
a hash brown.
Yeah, good choice. Do you want a hash brown? Go on, I'll whack one on your one as well.
Because I don't know if I want a bit of bread and butter to mop it up after.
It sounds
Any
yummy.
drinks or no?
Nah.
then
After
cake
that,
for
we're
dessert.
going to need a lay down. I don't know
A bit
about.
of this for later.
And we've got a bit of Lucy's homemade drizzle cake.
Yeah, you sure right?
Right, so here it is in the showroom. Look at that, it looks so nice. So we've got to put a couple of bits on this, got to put the bar end weights on this, got to put the mirrors on it. But yeah, awesome. Oh, and what you do get with this bike, let me have a look in the box. So in the box you get the rear seat, you get the seat panels and the rear footrest hangers. So if you want to take a pillion on it. Got the mirrors, bar end weights, so let's put all them on and have a look at the bike. Right, so that's it, done. Mirrors on, bar end weights. It does just look so nice. There, look, standard Panigale V2, Bayliss. So it has got some nice bits. Colours of the wheels is really nice. I like that exhaust. Have a look at the standard exhaust compared to that. In the box, obviously you get the rear seat, the panels and the footrest hangers. You know what else I quite like? This black bit of paint here, just to cut across there at the frame, rather than again, a bit like that. It's got different colour engine casing bits there, like the clutch cover, compared to the silver. The Öhlins forks and the Öhlins rear shock looks really nice, compared to again, the standard one. So yeah, you got the signature on there. It's a numbered bike. They're not actually a limited edition, but they are numbered. Probably, out of all of it, the only thing I would have probably thought, they would have put some like green down here or something. So another thing we noticed, the stickers are actually lacquered under the paint on this, whereas again, on the standard one, they're not. The paint on it looks so good. The wheels, I mean, I like the V2 anyway, but this is something special. Funny enough, might as well just have a quick look. Probably at about the time when Bayliss stopped racing on the MotoGP, this is probably kind of nearly enough the bike that he raced on. Well, the road game version anyway. The Desmo Sedici, look at this. I love these bikes. Maybe not to ride, because again, they're still a 15-year-old bike. But for what they are, man, they are awesome. Yeah, like really, even against the SP, look at that. Does look nice. Well, so that was the unboxing of the Bayliss V2. I like the little touches they've done with the wheels, the paint looks awesome. It's obviously got the Öhlins suspension now, so we'll take one of these out and we'll see what difference the Öhlins makes over the shower thoughts, because for me, the V2 Panigale is almost like the perfect sports bike anyway, so we'll see what the difference is on these. 175 kilos or something, 155 brake horsepower. Probably just about right. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Did Liam tell you about what happened to him last night?
Do I want to know?
Got fucked out of a tenner.
Enlighten me.
I had a carol singer come round on his own, about 12 years old, just himself. Yeah. Sang a really crap version of Silent Night, stared at me in the eyes the whole way. I got nightmares. Finished and just stared at me. I stood there silent, just stared at me. I was like, oh shit, he wants some money, didn't he? Just went back to my wallet, all out of my wallet was a tenner, so I panicked. Gave him a tenner.
What would have been even weirder if they had just walked up, knocked on the door and just stood there?
Yeah.
Not said nothing, just staring at you.
I still would have given him a tenner, I reckon. Yeah. How did you know he was 12? How did I know he was 12?
In the police report, he said he was only 12.
Oh, I need some heat shrink. You got any heat shrink out here?
Yeah.
It pops a bit through with Christmas lights. I went out, I was like, I don't remember turning them off. There's a fucking big hole
There's a
in
bit
between
of
it,
fox,
there's teeth marks.
fox on the floor, dead.
Them and fucking cockroaches.
Cockroach.
Badgers? No, badgers don't do well. I've never seen a live badger.
Come up my house, you got one up there, big and all.
Don't come around mine.
It's like a bear, roaming around his garden.
Oh, that big. That's long.
They are big.
Flat. They're like flat. When they go walk, they can't walk. They're like a big fat dude.
Have you ever wrestled one up?
What, a big fat dude or a badger?
They're not round. They're flat, and their legs just stick out the corners.
Just wonder if you could just run up to one unsuspectingly.
Sure, yeah.
You haven't seen
Jump
one
on
run
it.
over
You
it.
just, the old fox was in the garden last night. A manky one. He's proper mank. He's running along with his mouth open. Well, I know he's got his rotten. He's got no gums or anything. So running with his mouth open. His tail was all wet.
You don't- if he opens a Christmas zoo, don't fucking go, because it'll be rubbish. The pigeons are sitting there laughing at the badgers and the foxes.
Do you reckon pigeons have got like a little no-fly zone?
Ridiculously stupid things out of all of them, but they do know when where not to go.
They do know when you're shooting at them.
They don't. I fucking shot one, hit the tree right next to it, and he went.
Fuck it,
Fucking even when they fly, when they fly, they can't fly properly. Their wings hit together, for fuck's sake, and then they make that stupid fucking noise when they're flying.
Do a pigeon noise. Oh, my bad.